Hey, welcome to this video where I will show you how to fulfill orders on your Shopify store. Let's get started. First of all, go to your Shopify dashboard and click on the Orders tab located on the left hand side of the screen as you can see here. Next, select the order you want to fulfill from the list of orders displayed on the screen. Once you have selected the order, click on Fulfill Items button located next to the order details. Here I have it written as unfulfilled. You can click the unfulfilled button. On the next page, you will see the details of the order and the items that need to be fulfilled. You can then choose the location from which you want to fulfill the order and the method of shipment you will use. Now, once you have selected the fulfillment location and shipment method, click on the Fulfill Items button and confirm that you want to fulfill the order. You can also add the tracking details if applicable. And that's it. You have successfully fulfilled an order on your Shopify store. Your customer will receive a notification that their order has been shipped. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to fulfill orders on Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Shopify tutorials.